Hey, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Javon, and on today's video, allow me to introduce to you my brand new SUV. It's not brand new, but it's new to me. It's a really old SUV, but I was able to get it at a very cheap price, and I am thankful for the person who gave me a loan to be able to get this, and the seller who dropped the price a bit to help me out. You know, for those that don't know, I live a simple life without much money, so it's really hard for me to buy things. But I'm thankful for that person who gave me that loan. This car still needs some minor repairs, and I'm still paying off that loan. If anyone would like to help me out with a donation, I would greatly appreciate any donations. I know many people will say, go get a job. But, you know, many people really don't know what I have done and sacrificed for the last 9 years as I became the self-imposed guardian of the beaches, as I would go to the beach mostly every day. And I think I'm guilty of having my previous car get damaged because I would go to the beach every day. And I would clean the beaches all the time. And I still clean the beaches. I don't go to the beach as much as I used to do that. But, you know, my goal with this SUV that I couldn't do with my old car is to go all over the island and continue my mission and put signs all over the place. So if you like what I have been doing and what I do in my farm and would like to help with any donations, I would greatly appreciate it. What I am doing is, if you donate more than $100, I will give you a tour to a beautiful beach or a beautiful river any time of the year, so that you could have some incentive, you know. But any help is greatly appreciated. Yeah, I can't show you the outside of this car because of what happened before with my older car. Being the tires were slashed 3 times in 3 different occasions. You can see the video about that, by someone who doesn't like that I am at the beach cleaning the beaches. You know, and there are many haters out there who don't like what I say or do. And so for my safety and my security, I won't show you the outside, but it is a beautiful, beautiful car. And, you know, I am hoping with this SUV that I could also get my tour business up and running so that I could make more money to help me out in the farm, because I would like to get so many things that I am very limited with this simple life. And I will make a video on how I live this simple life and why I live it. So subscribe if you have not. But I am enjoying riding this SUV. As I said, it has minor repairs, hopefully minor repairs. Hopefully there's nothing too severe, because of the price that I got this for. It was a steal. You know, this car cost more than what I bought it for. So I'm hoping it could last me a year or two, and I could get my tour business up and running, and I can make more money to be able to get something much, much newer. I'm hoping for that. But for now, I am loving this, and I am grateful for this. It's refreshing. And I also look forward to taking you on more adventures throughout this beautiful paradise that is Borinquen. And that's another reason why I wanted this SUV, so that I could go to more rivers and beaches, as my goal is to see every little inch of this magical paradise that is Borinquen. I want to see everything, and there's a beach and a river for each day of the year, so there's so much to see. So I hope to bring you along the ride of my adventures. This is the next chapter in the radically wild saga, the radically wild book that is my life. And yeah, It's time for me to see more places as I explore this beautiful island and I continue to explore the mind and the self. And as my motto goes, we must explore the world like we must explore our minds and self. So, you should also do the same. So, yeah. If you did not see my older video, you know, of where my car was falling apart, I had to go through the window just to enter the car because the doors would not open. You know, I had so much problems with that. But yeah, this is my reward to myself here. My reward for doing what I have been doing for the beaches. And I am going to be taking much better care of this one than my other car, for sure. And hopefully, you know, everything will work out fine. So I am now going to take you on a joyride. I am going to take you on a joyride through the beautiful mountains of Borinquen and through the beaches, and you could see, you know, the ride, how it rides and things like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. So, without further ado, let's go down yonder, down to the adventures of life. Right now, I am going to stop to visit these wonderful people that I was working in their land. Before I got the farm, I was working in Ponce for about 2 or 3 years. And I was also taking care of their dog while they were away. And yeah, I trained her, and she was about 6 months old. And she was so wonderful, so loving, so caring, so sweet. And I missed her. I missed her so much. I missed them too. But I missed her She was really close to me. And I have not seen her in 5 years due to my car not being able to get down there. But now, since I have this car, I am able to go down, so I'm excited, really excited to be able to see Isa, the princess, as I call her. So let's see if she remembers me. Yeah, she's really bad. Isa, who's the little girl? He's the little girl. You remember me? You remember me? You remember me?
Yeah, she remembers.
Oh! Isa. Oh, I gotta grab her. Come on. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you swimming. You're swimming, girl. Yeah. Isa, swim, swim. Let's go swimming. Swimming. Look at you. Look at you, Isa. Come on, Isa. Swimming. Come on, swimming. Come on. There she goes. There goes the princess.
This is Isa. Isa.
The princess, golden princess. Yeah. You're your queen. You're your queen. You're your... Huh? Swim. Go swim. Oh, my face. Oh no. Here is the beautiful princess. Her name is Isa. 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 Isa princess. Look at her. And I took care of her when she was a puppy for 2 years. When I was a caretaker of a farm in Ponce, I was taking care of this princess for 2 years. And I missed her. It was the first time seeing her in like 4 or 5 years. And she's so pretty, so beautiful. I think I did a good job. I did a good job taking care of her. And I am considering doing a dog sitting service because I am great with animals, of course. I'm good at training the animals. So if anyone is interested in dog sitting services, just let me know and I will take them and take good care of them and take them on an adventure. And yeah, look at her. Isa? Isa? Look at the princess. Look at the princess. Yes. Yes. So what a great reunion to see my friends and to see the princess. I missed her so much, and it's great that she remembered me, remembered the adventures and all the great times that we had. And I'm hoping to be able to see her more often now that I have this car. So I'm hoping to see her more often, see them more often. And yeah, they have a beautiful home. And it's great to reminisce, if you will, with them. But yeah, Isa is a great loving dog. You know, I'm afraid if I take her for an adventure, I might not give her back because I love her so much. She's a great dog, a great companion. She's a bit overweight, but hopefully I will be able to get down there and take her around in an adventure around there sometime. But yeah, now let's go to the coastline and drive around the coastline and see a beautiful beach and see a sunset. Yeah, and so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave any comments down below. Please like, please subscribe if you have not, and please visit me on all social media at Radically Wild and my website radicallywild.com. Be wild, everyone. Beep beep.